that's not even the top of the spike, and already this thing is pretty impressive. Alright guys, we have about an hour and a half until the park closes. It is currently Thursday, May 23rd. The first day Six Flags Great Adventure is open daily until Labor Day. So, great to see. And we got a lot to talk about, so let's waste no more time. And the chiller roll, as it's now being called, is completed. And we have more tracks starting to go up the spike, looking fantastic. So it looks like right there they got another piece of the spike ready to be lifted into place. So I imagine that will probably be lifted into place tomorrow, and then we'll start seeing the top off of the spike. I wouldn't be surprised if we see it topped off by Saturday or Sunday. Wow. So I know Alex from Coaster Spot and Colin from Hollywood Series have now coined this the Chiller Roll, and I just want to say that is a fantastic name choice. Hashtag Chiller Roll, as we are now calling it. Nitro's temporary closed, so that's too bad. But let's head back to back behind Roaring Rapids. So as you can see, they've filled the retention pool for Roaring Rapids, and they're also starting to pump water through the attraction. So hopefully within the next couple weeks, this ride opens. Yeah, as you can see back behind Nitro, there is not a lot left. And it looks like Nitro's about to reopen. They're putting another train on. Good to see. The new sign for Roaring Rapids really does look fantastic. It's still closed, but like I said, hopefully in the next upcoming weeks, this ride is open, because it's starting to get hot. While we are waiting for Nitro to open, let's head back to Metropolis. Man guys, I can't wait to sit in the back of Flash and fly so far up the spike backwards. It's gonna be amazing once this is all done. That chiller roll really does look whippy from this angle. Just looks fantastic. I imagine coming backwards out of it is gonna provide some great whip in the front. Unfortunately, no gondolas on the giant wheel yet. Really does stink. There's been a lot of budget cuts here because of the merger with Cedar Fair. I'm guessing that's why the Skyway buckets are still closed. Very unfortunate, but it's great to see this coaster just come together so fast. The non-inverting dive loop from last week really just looks like it's just gonna really be very whippy and very snappy, and this whole coaster is just amazing, and it kind of fills a gap in the Metropolis area since Batman Robin the Chiller left in 2007. But yep, great to see. Love the chiller roll, and the spike is going to be fantastic.
Again, we can take you back to Metropolis from the Toro the Joker.
More recruits are on their way, Batman. Even as we speak, members of the Justice League Reserve Team are loading up and heading out.
Good luck. Copy that, Cyborg. Batman, out.
not terrible. I'm definitely much better with the left hand than the right hand. Or sorry, the right hand than the left hand.
Okay, means you guys are out of here. Enjoy your ride on the most explosive roller coaster. Okay, the friends. Okay. Welcome back, riders. Hope you guys enjoy your ride.
As I was just informed, all tracks assume move onto the construction site. Right there on Nitro. It is falling. Yeah. Let's head back to King Dakar and El Toro. So whippy, I'll tell you guys. This whole ride is just like, that is just going to just take you and just go yeet. Especially if you're sitting in the back. Oh boy. That is a violent twist to the side and it looks amazing. Just a quick update. Frontier Adventures is now open. Guests are currently walking down the path. I won't be going down there today because I need to hit El Toro before the park closes. But yeah, with that, I think it shouldn't be too much longer till we see Sawmill Log Flume open. I know they are starting to put more pieces back into place, so should be great to see. Something I think you will all be thrilled to know about is now, right before you go up into El Toro Station, there is now free double-sided lockers. Amazing to see. So they will be right here, right as you merge with the flash pass to go up into the station. They're kind of like the universal lockers. You'll probably get a card or some sort of coupon or something. You'll scan it on the barcode and then you'll put all your stuff. They're kind of also like the Hershey Park lockers, but fantastic. I'm also hoping at some point these come to King Dakar, right as the merge point with Flash Pass happens in that part of the queue. But yeah, fantastic. Finally, free double-sided lockers. Yay! They actually look big enough to actually even hold my Hershey Park bag. So honestly, if you're, as long as your bag is not too bulky, like my bag is not really that bulky, you probably will be good. So yeah. I mean, I was able to fit my entire bag in the universal locker, so I imagine probably the same thing here. 5 rides there on El Toro, including an extra encore ride. Very kind of the crew to do that. And I have some great news for you guys. If you plan on coming to Six Flags Great Adventure, the double-sided lockers will be available tomorrow. Very exciting. By the time this video goes up, they should be available for you guys. So should be great. Like I said, I hope they come to King Dakar next. Yeah, I imagine with Jersey Devil it might be a little bit more tricky, so it'll probably be something for next season. They could probably do it with Joker as well this year. Yeah, but glad to see. And well guys, that's going to do it from this week's Flash Vertical Velocity Construction Update. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yeah, hashtag Chiller Roll is looking fantastic. I imagine, like I said, probably by the end of this weekend, we should see probably this coaster completed. And yeah, and then it's all a matter of getting the area together and testing. And I'm looking forward to seeing those trains as well. They look sleek. But anyways, guys, if you like this update, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the fun stuff I got going on here. on PA&J Thrills. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.